All right, so this last thing we're gonna look at here is our division of fractions. We're gonna do this in two ways. All right, we're gonna do a model, okay? And we're gonna do our number method as well. All right, I'm gonna do the model first and then talk about how it translates to the number version to make sure that we can check our answers correctly. So this is slide number 25 on your fraction practice. It says a wooden plank is 10 1/2 feet long, okay? 10 1/2 feet long. Bree needs to cut it into pieces that are each 1/2 feet long. How many pieces will she have? Now, when it says cut into pieces or sections or splitting into, we know that that's a key word for division of this problem, okay? So we need to focus on having 10 1/2 feet of wooden planks. So let's see, and since we have 10 1/2, we'll have to make 11 total figures. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here's my 11 figures, my 11 planks, because it's 10 holes and then 1/2. And since they're cutting it into sections that are 1/2 foot long, okay, this each is one whole piece of, one whole plank, okay? So we'll split all these into 1/2. This will fit nicely since it's the same denominator. It'll look really easy if we say that there's 1 plank, 2 planks, 3, 4 planks, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, because we only have 10 1/2, half a plank. We do not have a full part here. So we say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Haha, they didn't go together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 half-foot long pieces, okay? So we're saying 21 is our answer, okay? Now if we go over here, we say 10, okay, and 1/2 divided by 1/2. Now, following my process of going to improper fractions first, 10 times 2, okay, is 20 plus 1, 21 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, and then we follow our rule, keep, change, flip. All right, so keep, change our function to the inverse function or the opposite function. So the opposite of division is multiplication, and then flip. All right, keep, change, flip. 21 over 2 times 2 over 1. 21 times 2. Denominator is going to be 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. 21 times 2 is 42. All right, let's go to 21 plus 21 equals 42. All right, so 42 over 2. Is that divisible? Yes, in half. So we say 21 divided by 2. All right, so we say the answer is 42 divided by 2, or in half, all right, is 21. Do those answers match? Yes, they do. That is done. Now, let's look at a problem that actually has differing denominators, so that way it doesn't divide as easily. All right, so looking at problem number slide 26, this is bagging trail mix. So you have a huge bag of trail mix that weighs 7.5 pounds. All right, and if you put them into small 1 1/4 pound bags, by 1 1/4, how many bags will you fill? Well, we see here, let's go to our improper fraction first, just for the numbers, okay? And we'll do this opposite. We'll do them numbered, and then we'll look at the modeling as well, okay? So 7.5, so it's 7 times 2 is 14, 15 over 2, divided by 4, 5 over 4, all right? So that brings us down to keep, change, flip, all right? So 15 over 2 times 4 over 5. Keep, change, flip. All right, 15 times 4 is 60, because we know it's 15, 30, 45, 60, like on a clock. All right, then 2 times 5 equals 10. The answer is 6, because 6 divided by 10, or 60 divided by 10 is 6. Now, we're saying that we will fill 6 bags. Let's take a look at it in a model as well. So if we have how much? Total of a huge bag weighs 7.5 pounds, okay? So we need 8 total figures because it's 7.5. 3, 4, 5. Olivia, go ahead and say it. Yeah, there you go. So 7.5 here. Each of these get divided into halves, okay? All right, so we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need our half, okay? Because 8 total figures. All right, so now the other part of our problem, the 1 1/4, okay? Now we know that the fourth, to get from here, halves to fourths, we divide that in half again, okay? We don't have to worry about this one because we don't need it, because it's not there. Bam, gone. So all of our individual pieces here, 1 1/4 make a portion. That means I will have a total of 5 sections for every single portion. All right, so let me grab a pen and I'll do this. So 1 1/4, so 5 sections. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. There's 1, that's 1 bag, okay? We're looking for 6. 2, 2, 2, and then, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another portion. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have any remainders, so we have a total of 6 portions. All right, so the math does check out, so that's good.